Okay, so Ben's been looking for a liquor store. Been asking since Osaka City, right? And we're like, there's no liquor store. Like Family Mart or the convenience stores had alcohol on their shelves, so that's your liquor store. But liquor shop, okay, more like a liquor vending machine, but it's the first liquor one I saw. Anyway, Ben's asking me how many he can have. No, if he can have one. I told him no, his mum. And we're trying to see which one is we can't get in Australia, but I'm not sure which ones you can't get. Yeah, I don't know. Which one did you end up getting?
This one, highball. I don't know what a highball is.
A Suntory highball. Suntory highball. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. We're walking to the 4th Poke Lid. It's near Lawson's, just up the road, so. Then we got the 5th Poke Lid, and then we got to make our way to Kyoto. Oh my gosh. It's been a good day.